After replacing the battery on a few ranges, I noticed a subtle difference between models, so join me for a full step-by-step battery replacement, including info on the battery size and what to expect after installation. Before working on anything else, it's good practice to disconnect the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. It's all explained in this video link on the screen if you're interested. Now tuck the cable away unless you like sparks or an unplanned fireworks show. On the positive side, disconnect this grey connector. It will have some sort of locking pin to release, but can differ between models. Then remove this one bolt at the back. You can probably test your patience by not doing this, but by disconnecting these two cables, you'll create a lot more space to remove and install the battery. Now you can loosen the clamp nut on the positive terminal, so this whole junction box can lift off the post. Then there's a bracket down at the base of the battery with one bolt to remove. Some models might also have a strap over the battery secured by the same bolt. These brackets are prone to getting stuck, so shifting or lifting the battery should break it free. Regarding the battery size, there seems to be a difference in height, which I'll get to a bit later. For now, install the positive clamp first and then the two cables that were removed earlier. If you find these videos helpful, I hope we've earned your subscription by now. But even a like or a super thanks will be appreciated. Now the bracket can be installed, and lastly the negative cable. If we look at the specs on this battery, it's a slightly lower profile than the usual 190mm. Now, although the 190mm version will work, it does feel like a bit of a strain on the positive cables. So if your model is between 2016 to 2019, you have the 2.2 or 3.2 engine, and your instrument cluster looks like this, the 175mm version seems to be the standard fit. But I'll share some links in the description for buying the battery online. I'll also do a separate video on the 2019 onward models if the opportunity presents itself. There's also no BMS reset required on this model, since it doesn't have stop-start or the current sensor on the negative terminal. You also shouldn't have any warning lights on startup. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.